Hi everyone, greetings from Inenge. Today we will teach about technology. We can see a bit interest in this topic. Therefore, we develop a video teaching how to do a data table. This table is a common type of structure that you can see in many websites or applications. The reason why it happens is due to that this table can be viewed as a smart table with filters, paginations, among others. In general, these tables have columns, rows, cells, and inputs to filter the data presented. These ones have several applications, such as data analytics, arrange information, and allow it to increase usability for the end user. As you can imagine, there are several applications in many sectors, as inventories, business intelligence, and project management. But it's time to show how to develop it. For this video, we develop a basic data table we are considered to make a course teaching how to develop code and how to do this kind of element with a great detail. Then, if you like the idea, please subscribe and follow us in our social media. So, let's get started. To start, we create the project by using the following command: engineer and project name. For this video, we will use Angular and Bootstrap to create the data table. So, after the use command, we must add CSS styles and routes. We must wait that the project is created. Also, if you want, you can clean the console by using CLS in Windows. The next stage is to create a component to manage the logic. In this case, the component will be called as the element that we want to do. I mean, a data table. Now, we open the project in a code editor. For starting to code, we clean the default code. In the component, we create the basic structure for the data table by adding a row container, where inside of this we add an input to filter the values. Also, we create the basic template for the table by using the right tags, where we put the headers of the column and create an empty row to use as a template to the data table row elements. Additionally, we create a space for watching how many records are every time that the input filters data. Once it's done, we go to the TS file for create the logic that manipulate the data. Thus, we add two arrays to manipulate the data. In this part, it's fundamental create the logic to filter by using a function. Therefore, the items filter use the complete items array and using the filter method to match one property from the columns of data table with the values which is filled out in the input from HTML file done in the previous file. For this sample, we use country property. Now, in the HTML file, we can add the logic to know how many records are filtered by using the array name. Also, we need to add an instruction to repeat several times the row by using the ng-for instruction. We can add sense to each property by using the current element defined in item and take the property value with dot plus property name. In this part, we must add the function to filter with the input. Therefore, we add a reference by using hashtag input name and calling the event. In this case, keyApp equal to function to use the filter, but this one needs one value. Then we use the input reference name plus that value to access the current value in the filter. Now, in the TS file, we add the data. This process was done by using AI tools for generating dummy data, but we leave the data in the video's comments. In addition, we define that the filtered data is equal to the complete data when the component is created. After that, we add Bootstrap to the project by using the CDN tags, by adding in the index.html file the CS and script tags. Currently, we had a little mistake. Then we need to change the part of table headers by putting just one tier tag, and inside this, put as many th tags as you need for each column of the data table. In this case, was needed 4 tags. Also, we add some classes to do more elegant the component, and in the TS file, check that in the function you compare each element with the value entered in the input field, as you can see in the line 73. Additionally, we use the lowercase function to ensure that both texts are in the same format. Now it's time to test. Then, using the ngserve command in your CMD to start the project. After that, go to localhost 4200. As you can see, whilst you write in the input, the data changes to filter with the values. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, please subscribe. We are starting, and we love it to have your support, and we will see you in another video.